Welcome to Aroma Cafe Technical Care, manufacturer and supplier of coffee machines and commercial kitchen equipments. The company was established at Chennai. Our wide distribution network helps us to cater to airports, hospital, offices, and other segments. Advanced technical supports, effective packaging facility, skilled and expert workforce help us to achieve an unrivaled position in the industry. We offer a wide array of deep freezers, ice machines, and flakers. Our freezer rooms and minibar systems are superior in performance. Medical refrigeration products offered by us are extremely reliable. Our kitchen ovens and television sets are setting a benchmark in the market. We also provide Expo brand Aroma coffee machines that are a class apart. Along with that, we offer you Goloni slush machines that are well known for their durability. To get more details, please visit our website www.rubyinnovation.com.